Yesterday, a new product from Lenovo passed through the 3C certification website. As we all know, Lenovo has a lineup of premium tablets under its Xiaoxin brand, and the company is soon expected to launch a new device named Lenovo Xiaoxin Pad Pro 2022. Ahead of the official launch, however, some of the key specifications of the device have been leaked online. According to the latest information shared by Digital Chat Station, the Lenovo Xiaoxin Pad Pro 2022 will feature an OLED display with a 2K screen resolution and a high refresh rate. The device will come powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor. The report further adds that the tablet will be powered by an 8200 mAh battery, which will have support for 68-watt fast charging. Also, there's another Lenovo tablet with model number TB132FU that has passed the 3C certification in China. This model is expected to come powered by the MediaTek Zunkin 1300T processor and have support for 30-watt fast charging. Currently, the exact launch date for these new tablets coming from Lenovo is not yet known, but reports indicate that the device could go official sometime in August this year. We will keep you updated if this video gains enough momentum. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment and watch our other videos.